Hello everyone. Today's topic is lexical analysis. Right now we are going to see what is lexical analysis. Lexical analysis is the process of breaking the source code of the program into smaller parts. This is called the tokens. And this why the computer is going to divide the source code into smaller parts as it can easily understand by the computer, and these tokens can be divided into words or symbols such as keywords, variable names, numbers, or punctuation. This also known as scanner. Lexical analysis can be implemented with the deterministic finite automata, and the output generated from the lexical analysis are the sequence of tokens which are sent to the parser for the next phase, that is syntax analysis. Right now we are just going to see what is token, what is pattern, and what is lexeme. What is token? Token is a sequence of character that can be treated as a unit in the grammar of the programming language, right? So we are see what are the example of the tokens. Type of tokens, say for example ID, number, or real. These are called your type of token. See, type of token means ID, number, real. Punctuation tokens like if, void, return. Alphabetic tokens like keywords. For examples, for, while, if, etc. Identifier, variable name, operation like plus, minus, separators, all these are called tokens. Okay. Next, what is lexeme? The sequence of character matched by a pattern to form the corresponding tokens, or a sequence of input characters that comprises in a single token is called the lexeme. And what is pattern? The description or rule used to define a token is called the pattern. So this is the architecture of the lexical analysis. This is the input stream, the source code which is read character by character, then token generator. Token generator actually based on the input character stream. Next, the symbol table, a table which is storing the information about the identified tokens, and last one is the error handler which handles the error encountered during the analysis. Right now we are just going to see what are the roles and responsibilities of the tokens. That token identification, error handling, and white space and components. That means the first one, the token identification, means identifying the tokens from the source code. It manage the error, that means managing the error encountered during the analysis, which is the main responsibility or roles of the error handling part. And white spaces are comments, which removing the unnecessary white space and comments. What are the advantage of the lexical analysis? It improves the efficiency and enhance the readability. What is meaning of improve efficiency? Streamline the compilation process by breaking down the complex source code. And what is enhance the readability? Makes source codes easier, which can be understandable and which can be easily debug. What are the disadvantage of lexical analysis? First one is the complexity. That means developing and debugging the lexical analyzer can be very challenging. And next one is the runtime overhead. What is the meaning of this one? Additional time and resources may be required for the analysis. That is called the runtime overhead. Then coming some key takeaways. We are just going to discuss how the lexical analysis actually works. Okay, so input processing, this stage involves cleaning up the input text and preparing it for lexical analysis. What is tokenization? The tokenization is, this is the process of breaking the input text into sequence of tokens. This is usually done by matching the character in the input text against a set of patterns or regular expression that define the different types of tokens. What is token classification? In this stage, the lexer determines the type of each token. We can take an example. In a programming language, the lexer might classify keywords, identifiers, operators, symbols as separate token types. What is token validation? In this stage, the lexer checks that each token is valid according to the rule of the programming language or not. We can take an example. It might check that a variable name is a valid identifier or not. An operator has the correct syntax or not. Next stage is the output generation. And this is the final stage. In this stage, the lexer generates the output of the lexical analysis process, which is typically a list of tokens. And this list of tokens can be taken, this list of token can then be passed to the next stage of the compilation or interpretation. The lexical analyzer identifies the error with the help of the automatic machine and the grammar of the given language on which it is based, like C, C++, and gives the row number and column number of the error. So hopefully all of you understand whatever we have discussed today, and we will meet to our next lecture series. Thank you.